Sometime new laptop come with Japanese, Chinese or another language, but we want English. Today I will show you how to change Windows system language to English using PowerShell. I will explain step by step, so even if your laptop is in another language, you can follow easily. First, open PowerShell with admin, search for PowerShell, right click and choose Run as administrator. Now let's check which language are installed. This will show you current display language. If you already see English here, great, you can skip the install step. If English is not installed, type this command. It will download and install the English pack from Microsoft server. Remember, you need an internet connection. That's a common issue. The install language CMD let only exists on Windows 10 version 2004 and newer Windows 11, on older Windows 10 build, and Windows 7, 8 server 2008, 2012, 2006, and that command is missing. Since you are getting that error, your system is on a build without the install language command, but no worries, you can still install the English pack with DISM, deployment image servicing and management. How to install English without install language? Type this command. This show current language and install pack. Run this command in PowerShell. This install the basic English language pack. If you also need speech, handwriting or OCR, you can add them too. This command tell Windows to use English for menus, app, regional format and the system itself. If you are on in Windows 11, run this to English setting to the welcome screen and all new user. Finally restart your computer. After reboot, your system will appear fully in English. And that's it. We check the language, install English, made it default, update the system and restart. Now your laptop is fully in English.